Hello. Welcome to ActionNET tutorial provided by Spin. In today's video, you'll learn more about the info menu. This menu consists of 5 submenus. Let's talk about each one specifically. Project submenu contains 3 tabs. The first tab provides the information for the current project. Settings tab defines the global settings for your project. Redundancy tab defines several settings, such as 2 servers configuration, Smart Client and HTML5 client. In Track submenu, Tables tab, you can track changes to tables, such as whether something has changed after you publish or build your project. In Changes, you can follow the changes in project, and, in Releases tab, you can see the published projects. In Notes tab, you can create notes about project settings among developers. Let's go to ActionNET for better understanding of how these tools work. This is the initial appearance of Info menu. In First tab, you can see all information of the open project, such as name, directory or file extension. In Settings, you can configure various functionalities, like project information such as family and model. Default code language, screen dimensions, project execution order, OPC type, either OPCDA or OPCUA, or the LDAP server, which is a security protocol for login users. In Redundancy tab, you can configure the primary and secondary server IPs, as well if there's a history replication and connection loss time. Server command line field is for running the project on another server. And Smart Client and Web Client application information for HTML5 projects. In Track submenu, Tables tab, there's information on changes to project elements since the last post or build. In Changes tab, the changes in project are shown. In our case, there are none. In Releases, it's shown every time the project was published. In our case, it wasn't published yet. In Notes submenu, you can create notes between developers. To do this, simply click Create New. Put a name and description of the note, such as a change in something from project or something that should be added, and click OK. This note will appear as a post-it, and even if you close it, it will be saved in the project. To delete it, just right-click on it. Finally, Help submenu offers online help, and License submenu provides information about software license. Let's go to ActionNET to see these tools better. In Help, you can seek help for any subject. Just type the word in the keyword field and then click Search Online. If you want to look specifically at Spin website, check the Spin site option. You can also search in images or other search fields. In License, you can view your ActionNET license information. Thank you very much for your attention. See you in the next ActionNET tutorial video provided by Spin. If you have any question, please contact us.